Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pretty Parsi Cook. My name is Roshni and today I'm going to show you how to make this Parsi prawn pickle. Now my grandmother used to make this all the time and sometimes we used to just have it with simple dal chawal. It's a yummy red, sweet, sour, spicy prawn pickle made with a lot of oil and vinegar of course, so it lasts for longer. This is a very tasty recipe and I've been asked by most of you to share this prawn pickle. So before I go, I'd want to request you to like, share, comment or subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so I can bring all these lovely recipes to you. On that note, let's get cooking. So let's start with the prawn marination first. We will take a large bowl and to this we will add 350 grams of prawns which we have peeled, washed and deveined. We will add half a teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Now we will mix all of this together. This is a very simple prawn marination that I use in most of my prawn curries or prawn masala that I make. Let's keep this aside and start preparing the masala for the prawn pickle. So we will take one garlic pod, about 10 to 12 large garlic cloves peeled. To this we will add 1.5 tablespoons of mustard seeds and 75 ml of white vinegar. We will grind all of this to a coarse paste and keep aside. Now let's start cooking this prawn pickle. So we will take a kadai or a wok, place it on medium-high heat, add 150 ml oil to this. When the oil is hot, we will add the prawns which we've kept aside. We will fry these prawns in this hot oil for 5 minutes, evaporating most of the water so that the pickle lasts for longer and does not get spoiled. We will remove the prawns and set them aside. Now in the same oil, we will add the garlic, mustard and vinegar paste that we have made. We will stir fry all of this just for around 2 minutes. Don't overcook this pickle. Now to this we will add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and we will stir and cook all these masalas for another minute or so. Again, don't overcook this and don't burn the masalas. Quickly we will add 2 tablespoons of jaggery to this and 75 ml of white vinegar once again. Now we will stir all of this for another minute. Add the fried prawns that we've kept aside to this masala and stir fry all of this, coating all the prawns well. This is less than a minute, guys. Now it's very important to see that the pickle has sufficient amount of oil, so towards the end just drizzle 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil so that the prawns are covered in this oil and the pickle lasts for longer. Give it one last stir and take it off the heat. Let it cool and jar in a nice bottle. Eat this pickle after 2 to 3 days because it tastes much better then. Enjoy this lovely pickle with some simple dal chawal or vegetables. Come back for more and don't forget to subscribe.